morning children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. Okay? In our previous class, we learned things around us, living things, non-living things and natural things, man-made things. Things which are given by nature are called natural things. Things which are made by man are called man-made things. Things which have life, they are living things. Things which do not have life, they are non-living things. We learnt in our previous class. Once check your previous class homework answers. Open your workbook page number 12. Draw the pictures from this applications activity in the correct boxes. These two are living things, these two are non-living things. So here write goldfish. Here draw the goldfish and potted flower plant. Already drawn non-living things. Plastic flower plant and check your answers. And toy fish. This is toy fish and plastic flower pot. These are living things. Living things. And these are non-living things. Everyone check them up. Our previous class homework answers. Page number, workbook page number 12, third bit. Draw the pictures from this applications activity in the correct boxes. Living things are goldfish and potted flower plant, and non-living things are toy fish and plastic flower pot. Okay? Today we are going to learn about our body organs. Okay? Second lesson, my body organs. Our body is very special. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears and a nose, a head, a mouth. Our body is very special. Each and every organ also very important for us. We see with our eyes. Without eyes we cannot see. We hear with our ears. Without ears we cannot hear. We eat food with our mouth. Without mouth we cannot eat. And we have 2 hands. Without hands we cannot work. So in our body each and every organ also very important. In our body some organs we cannot see. Those organs are internal organs. For example, where is our brain? We cannot see because it is present inside our head. Those are head, brain, heart, lungs. Can we see these organs? No, we cannot see. Brain we cannot see, heart we cannot see, and lungs we cannot see. So these organs are internal organs. Some organs we cannot see in our body. Those organs are internal organs. Brain, heart, lungs. Today we are going to learn about. Open your textbook. Page number 20. Our body. Our body is made up of many organs. Our body is made up of many organs. We have many organs like eyes, ears, nose, mouth, tongue, and neck, hands, arms, legs. Okay, we can see some of the organs such as eyes we can see, ears we can see, teeth we can see, and nose, but we cannot see the ones that are present inside our body. Some organs we cannot see. Some organs we cannot see. Those organs are internal organs. Cannot see the ones that are present inside our body. These are kept safe with the help of our bones. These are kept safe with the help of our bones. Understood? We have organs. Some organs can we see. Which organs can we see? Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth. These organs can we see. And some organs we cannot see, like brain, heart, lungs. These are the kidneys. Okay. Can we see these organs? We cannot see because they are present inside our body. Inside our body we cannot. So we cannot see. These organs are called internal organs. These are kept safe with the help of our bones. These kept with the help of our bones. These are safe with the help of our bones. These are kept safe with the help of our bones. Brain, heart, lungs. These are kept safe with the help of our bones. Okay. These are internal organs. So we cannot see these organs. These organs are present inside our body. These organs can we see? Eyes, ears, nose. These are external organs. Can we see? Eyes we can see, ears we can see, nose, mouth. These are external organs. These are internal organs. Our body is very special. Each and every organ also very important for us. Okay. There are, keep finger on your textbook. There are about 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. There are 206 bones in our body. These bones join together to form a framework of our body called the skeleton. The bones join together and form a framework. The bones join together and form a framework is called skeleton. The bones form a framework. This is our skeleton. Bones are form a framework. So it is called a skeleton. What is this? Skeleton. This is our skeleton. Skeleton is form the bones. The bones form a framework is called a skeleton. What is this? This is our skeleton. Okay. This is called our skeleton. The skeleton is formed, the bones joined together to form a framework. The bones form a framework. Ear bones form a framework is called skeleton. Okay. Now keep finger on your textbook. The skeleton is covered with skin. The skeleton is covered with skin. Skeleton is covered with skin. Okay. Between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. This is skeleton. The skeleton is covered with skin. In these two between muscles are. What are they? Muscles. Keep finger on your textbook. The skeleton is covered with skin. Our skeleton is covered with skin, and between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. Skeleton and skin between, what are they? Muscles. Okay. Between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. The skin, bones and muscles work together to help our body. The bones, the skin, bones and muscles, the skin, bones and muscles work together to help our body move. The skin, muscles and bones work together to help our body move. How to help our body move? To help which parts? Muscles, skin and bones, to help our body move. Understood everyone? Our body is a machine and we have many organs. Some organs we can see, some organs we cannot see because they present inside our body. This is our skeleton. Skeleton is covered with skin. The skeleton and skin between muscles are there. The muscles, skin and bones to help our body move. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there in our body? 206 bones are there in our body. This is our skeleton. The skeleton is the bones formed together. Framework is called a skeleton. Once again read second para. There are about 206 bones in our body. These bones joined together form a framework is our body called the skeleton. The bones joined together form a framework is called skeleton. Okay. The skeleton is covered with skin. The skeleton is covered with skin. Keep finger on your textbook. Between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. Between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. The skin, bones and muscles work together to help our body move. The skin, bones and muscles work together to help our body move. The skin, bones and muscles work together to help our body move. Okay. Our body moves with the help of the muscles, skin and bones. Okay, we will now study about some more organs in our body. What are the some more organs? Heart, brain, lungs and stomach. Okay, how many bones are there in our body? 206. The bones joined together form a framework is called skeleton. Okay, the skeleton is covered with skin. The skeleton and skin between muscles are there. The muscles, skin and bones, the help of our body move. Our body move with the help of muscles, skin and bones. Our body move with the help of muscles, skin and bones. How many bones are there in our body? 206. Our body is once everyone put finger on your textbook. Our body is made up of many organs. We can see some of the organs such as eyes, ears, teeth and nose, but we cannot see the ones that are present inside our body. Some organs present inside of our body, those organs are called internal organs. These are kept safe with the help of our bones. There are about 206 bones in our body. These bones join together to form a framework is called skeleton. This is our skeleton. This is these bones joined together form this framework is called skeleton. The skeleton is covered with skin. Between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. The skin, bones and muscles work together to help our body move. Our body moves with the help of muscles, skin and bones. The skin, bones and muscles work together to help of our body move. We will now, okay, coming to practice zone 1. Today's is your EVS homework. How many bones are there in our body? Very good. 206. Between the skeleton and skin are muscles. Our body move with the help of the skin, skeleton and muscles. Very good. Look at the board. Today's was EVS homework. Learn and write. Page number. What is this book? This is your EVS textbook, no? Discovering. Book is your textbook. Page number. Open your textbook, page number 21. Okay, page number 21. This is today's your EVS homework. First bit, practice zone. Practice zone 1. Okay. The bony framework of our body is called the the bony framework of our body is called the skeleton. Very good. Here write down skeleton spelling. Okay. And second one. Between the skeleton and skin are the the skeleton and skin are the very good muscles. They write down muscles spelling. muscles. Okay. There are dash bones in our body. How many bones are there in our body? 206. How many bones are there in our body? 206. Coming to D. The skeleton protects the dash inside our body. The skeleton protects the inside organs inside our body. The skeleton protects our internal organs. 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 These are not numbers, Amma. Letters A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, and E. Coming to E. The bones and muscles help our body to move. The bones and muscles help our body to move. MOVE, move. Understood everyone? Today's EVS homework. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Practice zone. Page number 21. First bit. First bit enough, Amma. Okay. The bony framework is a work of our body is called the skeleton. Between the skeleton and skin are the muscles. There are 206 bones in our body. The skeleton protects the organs inside our body. The bones and muscles help our body to move. Okay. Next, open your textbook page number 19th page. Open your textbook. New words. Page number 19. What is this? Brain. Read brain spelling. BRAIN. Brain. What are these? Lungs. Lungs spelling LUNGS. Lungs. What is this? Stomach. STOMACH. Okay. What is this? This is our heart. HEART. This is our skeleton. Our skeleton is covered with skin. SKELETON. Skeleton. Repeat after me. Everyone. BRAIN. Brain. LUNGS. Lungs. STOMACH. Stomach. HEART. Heart. SKELETON. Skeleton. Brain, lungs, stomach, heart and skeleton. Brain also internal organ, lungs also internal organ, stomach also and heart also internal organ, skeleton also internal organ. These are our internal organs. BRAIN brain, lungs, lungs, stomach, stomach, heart, heart, skeleton. Key finger on your textbook. brain, brain, lungs, lungs, stomach, stomach, skeleton, skeleton, heart, heart. Okay. Our body moves with the help of the skin, bones and muscles. Our body moves with the help of the skin, bones and muscles. We cannot see some organs present inside our body. Those organs are called internal organs. Which are internal organs? Brain, lungs, stomach, heart, skeleton and kidneys are our internal organs. We have 206 bones. The bones joined together to form a framework is called skeleton. The bones joined together to form a framework is called skeleton. Our body moves with the help of the skin and the bones and muscles. Okay. Today's EVS homework, practice zone, first bit. Page number 21, practice zone, first bit. Today's EVS homework. Okay, bye.